Okay, good morning, students. In last week, we already started our new lesson, that is the evolution of mankind. In that evolution of mankind, two stages I taught you, two stages I explained you. That two stages is the Homo habilis and Homo erectus. Okay, so Homo habilis means Homo means a man, habilis means a who use their hands skillfully. Okay, then second stage is the Homo erectus. So Homo erectus is the who is man is stand erect, stand straight. Okay, so these two stages we already learned. Now we're going to learn a new stage, that is the Homo what that is the new stage. That new stage is the Homo neanderthalis. Okay, it means a Neanderthal man. Okay, so in that topic we going to learn about this Neanderthal man. Okay, the new species of man, Neanderthal man, that is a Homo neanderthalensis. This is the place in a Germany. This is the place in a Germany, Neanderthal. So we see that a Neanderthal man, we found that Neanderthal man in Germany. So let we learn about this new stage of Neanderthal man. Okay, now I share my screen. Everyone see. Okay, okay, everyone able to see my screen? Everyone able to see my screen?
Yes, yes, teacher.
Yes, well done. Very good. Now the next stage is the, see, in last week we already learned Homo habilis. Okay, in that Homo habilis we learn the Homo habilis is the first human species to make use their tools skillfully. Yes, Homo means a man and habilis means a who use their hand skillfully. Then the Homo erectus. Okay, Homo erectus is the who stands erect, who stands erect. Okay, so these two stages we already learned. Now we're going to learn a new stage. We're going to learn a new stage. Okay, that is the new stage is the Homo neanderthalensis. Okay, it is called also a Neanderthal man. It is also called a Neanderthal man. This man is the stronger and bigger than the Homo erectus and Homo habilis. Okay, this man is the bigger and stronger man. So let we see this the Homo neanderthals man characteristics of this. One more stage of development in human evolution is Homo neanderthal. Okay, Homo neanderthal. He was a physically big and strong. He was a physically big and strong. Okay, that this Neanderthal man is a very big and strong. Physically, he is very fit and big and strong. They were found in which continent? This Homo and this Neanderthal man found in which continent? Africa, Europe, and Asia. This Neanderthal man found in Africa, Europe, and Asia. In these three continents, this man was found. Okay. They primarily live in a caves. They primarily lives in a caves. This Neanderthal man lives in a caves. Okay. Neanderthal. Why this man called a Neanderthal? Why this man called a Neanderthal? Because why this man called a Neanderthal? Because his remains were first found in Neanderthal. Neanderthal is the place. Neanderthal is the place in a Germany. Neanderthal is a place in a Germany. In that place, this man is found. That's the reason this man called a, yes, Neanderthal man. Okay, his brain was more developed. The Neanderthal man brain was more developed than the Homo habilis and Homo erectus. this Neanderthal man was more developed than the Homo erectus. Okay, the Neanderthal primarily live in a caves. The Neanderthal primarily lives in a cave. These Neanderthal man lives in a caves. They made a tools to big pebbles. They made a tools out of the big pebbles. The big pebbles are there. Big pebbles, rocks, stones are there. Na? From that, they made a tools. They made a tools. These tools were attached to a bone to make weapons like a spear and axes. This, this whatever they made the tools from the pebbles, that tools they were attached to the bone, attached to a bone to make a weapons, make a new weapons like a spear and axis. Spear and axis is the name of weapons. Spear and axis is the name of weapons. Okay. Yes. Now next is the Neanderthal hunted a big animal. Neanderthal man is a hunted a big animal. Not only a small animal, he hunted a big animal. Big animals he hunted because his brain was developed than the erectus man. So he know the new technology to make a tools. Okay, so he make a tools from the big pebbles and attach to the bones to make a new weapons like a spear and axes. And from that, using that tools, this Neanderthal man hunting a big animals. Okay, big animals. They use the scrappers. They use the scrappers also. They use the scrappers made from the stone. They use scrappers. This is also a one weapon. They use the scrappers to made from a stone flakes to scrap meat, whatever. In Neanderthal man ate the meat. Okay, so that they use the scrapper. They use the scrapper to flex the to scrap the meat from the hide of dead animals, whatever dead animals from, they scrap the meat. Okay, they use leather clothing. This Neanderthal man use a leather clothing. They wear the leather clothing from the animals, from the wild animals. They take out the leather and they wear that leather clothing. They wear that leather clothing. And this Neanderthal man is mainly eat a meat. It's a eat meter man. It's a eat meter. Okay, it's a meat eater man. Okay. Now this Neanderthal man, they ate meat, roasted meat, not only meat. They eat a roasted meat because the Homo erectus know the fire, but this Neanderthal man, it's a more developed than the erectus. Though Neanderthal man know about the how to fire. Okay, so whatever they hunt the big animals, from that big animals they eat the meat. They eat the meat, but that meat should be roasted on fire. That meat should be roasted on fire and then they eat. Okay, they knew the art of making. They knew the art of making fire and rubbing sticks of hard wood on each other. Rubbing sticks, how to rub the sticks and make the fire. They know the develop this artist skill. Okay. They also use the communicate with each other. Neanderthal man is the also communicate with each other. They make a different sound. Okay, different sound. They and Neanderthal man is lives in a cave. The Neanderthal man lives in a cave. It is likely that Neanderthal had a developed some article skill. They developed their article skill than the Homo erectus. They developed the article skill than the Homo erectus. Some scientists कुछ साइंटिस्ट ऐसे बोलते हैं, some scientists believe that they also communicate with each other, because the research of the scientists said that the Neanderthal man is the communicate with each other, but the Homo erectus and the Homo habilis, they don't communicate with each other. But this man, Neanderthal man, is a developed than the Homo erectus. This brain was developed than the Homo erectus, so they know the how to communicate, and they communicate with each other. That some scientists was said. Okay. Yes, they use each other by the producing grunts. Producing grunts, it is known as and other primary sounds. Producing grunts means what? Grunts means what? Making a different sound. They communicate with each other. Like animals making a different sound, birds are making a different sound. Na? Like this, that Homo Neanderthal man is also making a different sound on that time, and they communicate with each other. However, it is not known whether the hand developed language. Their language was not developed. Language was not developed. They don't know the wordings, all those things. But by using sound, different sound, they communicate with each other, and also they express their thoughts. They express their thought, the expressions. From by the expression they know to communicate. By the expression also they communicate with each other, and they help with the help of some different words or some different sound. When a member of the group dead, this Homo erectus, already I told you, the Homo erectus lives in a group, and that Homo Neanderthal man lives in a cave. But when the member of the group dead, the Neanderthal buried tools, horns, etc. Along with the dead body also, they apply red torch to the dead body before burning it. That time Neanderthal man's is use the different skill, like when in that their group, any of the Neanderthal man or the that man, that species was dead, they use the soil, they use the red soil or soil too, and they spread the soil on that the dead body, and that the dead body then they burn. Okay, it indicates that the Neanderthal and had established some rituals burning the death. It means it's a indicate the we understand that Neanderthal man is use the new rituals means new rules or new uh, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं rules, the new way, religions, like we use the different burning to the man dead bodies. So this way the Neanderthal man, in that the group, uh, one of the group member was dead, they burn them. Okay, in the course of time some groups of Neanderthal man left Africa and migrate to the continent of Europe and Asia. After this thing, the Neanderthal man left Africa. उन्होंने अफ्रीका छोड़ दिया. They left Africa and they migrate to the Europe and Asia. So Neanderthal man migrate to the Europe and Asia. It means they travel to the Europe and Asia. उन्होंने अफ्रीका छोड़ के वो यूरोप और एशिया में आ गए. Okay. Naturally, they had a face different environment. They face a different environment. Okay. So they had adopt a new way of living. They adapt the environmental changes. They adapt the environmental changes, and they live in that environmental changes. Okay, they adapt this environmental changes, and they live with that environmental changes, and finding a food. This Neanderthal man finding a food. Okay, So therefore they went on the modifying and improving the tools that were essential. They were essential. Okay. They modifying the improving tools. After the migration in the Europe and Asia, they face different environmental changes. That environmental changes, they adapt that environmental changes, and they improve their self. They improve their self more than the Homo erectus. Okay, and they improve the many tools. They want whatever essential tools they need, they improve that tools. However, the improvement in the tools took place over thousands of year. Many of the thousands of year before thousands of year, this changes was took place. Then the Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens is the next stage of the after the Homo Neanderthal man. After the Neanderthal man, Homo sapiens is the next stage. Okay, but this next stage we're going to learn afterwards. Firstly, I told you about the Neanderthal man. Homo sapiens is the name used for humans that were more advanced. This Homo sapiens is the more advanced. Homo sapien man is the more advanced than the Homo Neanderthal. Homo Neanderthal. Okay. Homo sapiens means intelligent. Homo sapiens means what? Intelligent. Homo sapiens means what? Intelligent and intellectual. Intelligent and intellectual. So Homo sapiens is the more intelligent and more intellectual than the Neanderthal man. He shall learn more about him later. He shall learn more about him later. This Homo sapiens learn more things he learn. More things he learned. Then the Neanderthal man and the Homo sapiens were neighbors. Were neighbors. Homo sapiens and Neanderthal man. They were neighbors. Okay, they were neighbors. Homo sapiens and Neanderthal man, they were both are neighbors, because Neanderthal man migrate not now, that time he is in Europe and Asia. And Europe and Asia, the Homo sapiens also there. The Homo sapiens is the more developed. Homo sapiens is the more developed than the Neanderthal man. Okay, and Neanderthal man and Homo sapiens both are neighbors. Both are neighbors for some time in Europe. Sometime, कुछ time के लिए वो दोनों neighbors थे. Sometime in Europe, Homo sapiens and the Neanderthals are neighbors. It is believed that due to reason like their conflict with the Homo sapiens and inability to adapt the environmental changes. After some time, the Neanderthal man adapt some changes, but in that Neanderthal man, Homo sapiens, this species are adapt the more environmental changes. The Neanderthal became extinct. Those Neanderthal man was not adapting the some environmental changes, that Neanderthal man was extinct. मतलब वो जो स्टेज है Neanderthal man का जो स्टेज था वो खत्म हुआ. That stage was extinct. That stage was extinct on the basis of C14. Basis of C14 dating. C14 dating, it means a carbon 14. C14 dating is the carbon 14. It's a research technology of the history. It's a research technology of the history. C14 dating, it's a research technology of the history. From that, the scientists said, historians said that Neanderthal man was extinct and the Homo sapiens was creating. Homo sapiens is the heredity of the Neanderthal man is the heredity of the Homo sapiens. Okay. Yes, I explain you about the whole Neanderthal man only. Not I am not going to the Homo sapiens. Okay, Neanderthal man becomes extinct. Oh, khatam ho gaye about 30 years ago. 30 years ago, Neanderthal man was extinct. The Neanderthal stage was extinct. It was a stop, and the new stage was started. That is the stage was the Homo sapiens. That is the Homo sapiens. So let me see this Homo sapiens. Say Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens is the more intelligent than the Neanderthal man and Homo erectus. Okay, it's a more intelligent and more intellectual. Homo sapiens are the more intelligent and more intellectual. So before the starting Homo sapien is the very intellectual, very intelligent. Okay. So Homo sapiens that was more intelligent than the earlier species. Which are the earlier species? That earlier species are the first is the Homo habilis, second one is the Homo erectus, then the Neanderthal man, then this stage is the Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens is the intelligent and intellectual man. Okay, Homo sapiens is, it means the thinking man. They know how to think. They know the thinking power. They have a thinking power. The human species that was more intelligent than any of the early species. The Homo sapiens is the intelligent and thinking. In Europe, Homo sapiens in Europe, Homo sapien known as another name, the known as the Cro-Magnon man. Cro-Magnon. The Homo sapiens known as in Europe, Cro-Magnon. What? Cro-Magnon. I show you Cro-Magnon. Okay. Homo sapiens said a Cro-Magnon. See, like Cro and Magnon. Cro-Magnon man. Homo sapiens said a Cro-Magnon. Cro-Magnon man in a Europe. Okay. Their remains have been found in the continent of Europe. Continent of Europe. In our Earth, there are 7 continents. There are 7 continents. In that 7 continent, in the Europe, the continent of Europe, Asia, and Africa. Europe, Asia, and Africa. In that continent, Homo sapiens was found. In which continent Homo sapiens was found? Europe, Africa, and Asia. Okay. Homo sapiens made different kind of tools. Homo sapiens made a different kind of tools and implement the suit the task, and they use the task. They adapt the new task. Okay. So implement suit the task they needed to do. Whatever they need, if they want to hunting, if they want to scrapping, if they want to doing something, so Homo sapiens was implement the new different tools. Okay. So they used to make stone blades. They used to make stone blades. What they use? Stone blades. From the stone they make a they made up blades and fix them of grooves and the notch made in wood to bone handles. Whatever bone handles and the wood sticks are there, they join that implements and that tools, and they use to hunt the animals and other things. Okay. Homo sapiens had evolved. Homo sapiens has evolved to the stage of having fully developed. This Homo sapiens is fully developed man of larynx, which could produce to range of their sound with the suitable difference, with the with the different sound. They make also different sounds, and they know the difference between the sounds. They know the difference between the sound, because the Homo sapiens is the intellectual and intelligent man. So they understand and they identify the voice, different voice, different sound, and they modulate sounds. Okay. Their jaw and muscles inside the mouth were well developed. Their jaw and the muscles inside of the mouth are well developed than the Homo erectus, Neanderthal, and Neanderthal man. Okay. And the tongue, the Homo sapiens tongue was a flexible. Tongue was a flexible. Homo sapiens tongue was flexible. Hence, Homo sapiens could use their produce of variety of sound. I already told you, they know that they also identify the variety of sound. They also identify the different sound. They modulate the sound. Same they variety of sound they use, and they voice the way he like. They produce, they modulate the voice the way he like. Using of imagination. The Homo sapiens is imagination man. He was imagine. He could give a names to different things. He could give the names to the different things he saw, and could put his thoughts, whatever thoughts he have, because he is a thinking man. Homo sapiens was a thinking man, so he make create their own thoughts, and they feel the things, they feel feelings into a words. They feel and they say some words. They started the say language. Using these words, he could speak and communicate with each other. Homo sapiens are use the different words. They creating a different words. By the using that words, they communicate with the each other. In short, he had a well-developed man. He had a well-developed language system. Okay, he had a well-developed language system. He could draw pictures on the basis of the observation and imagination. Also, Homo sapiens have a new skill. He know the how to use the drawing. By the using drawing, they whatever the imagination, if they imagine of the tree, if they imagine of the animals, the Homo sapiens, by the imagination, by the observation, they draw the pictures. So this way the Homo sapiens is the more intellectual, more intelligent man. So Homo sapiens is the sapiens means was the Homo sapiens means was the thinking man. Even begin to make artist object. He also made the artistic object, like they by using a soil, they make a pot. Okay, that is why he has been named Homo sapiens. It is a intellectual man, intelligent man. It means a Homo sapien means a thinking man. Homo sapiens means a thinking man. So till everyone understand till this Homo sapiens. After the next Homo sapiens, the next stage is the Homo sapiens civilization. The next stage is the Homo sapiens civilization. This Homo sapiens civilization, it's a modern human. It's a modern human. So this modern human we will going to learn in a next lesson. We going to learn in a next